today we will finish our artwork inspired by Puerto Rican artist Ramon Frade. Let's finish creating this beautiful flor de maga, and remember that you will need a Q-tip and a little bit of water. Let's get started. We are going to go ahead and use our blue marker, and we are going to put a little dot right here in the middle of the flower, and we are just going to make some tiny little lines like this in the middle. Now I am going to take my Q-tip, wet it a tiny bit, and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to spread that color to the flower. Now make sure that whenever you're using the Q-tip, you're pressing very slowly, because if you're pressing too hard or too fast, your paper will rip and you will have a hole in your paper. So make sure you're going slowly, and that also, like always, remember you use only a tiny bit of water, because if you use too much water, then your paper will rip. Now let's take that same blue color, and I am going to do this. I'm going to be making some tiny lines just like this around my flower. Notice that the line doesn't have to follow the line that was already marked. It can be a different line. I am going to do this all around the flower. And that's all I have to do for that. Now I will take the marker and I will make some lines here on the leaves like this. And I will take my Q-tip, put some water, and go ahead and paint right there. Apply the water as if it were paint. Now that I am done, I will do the same here to the other little leaf. Now I see some of the petals that are here. I can use my marker to outline it, or I can leave it like that. It's up to you. I will leave it like that for today, but I'm going to show you how it looks like if you outline it. So that's how it would look like if you outlined this one right here. Now when you are done, you are going to actually be using these to create some little dots there. You can use the blue color to create those dots. Mine is blue-green. So I will use my blue-green, and I will simply make some little dots around my flower. Like, notice that I am getting very close to the edges, and I'm also getting very close to the edges of the flower. Now I am done creating my background. And remember, when you are making little dots, you are pressing hard and going on a circular motion. You're not just going like this. Make sure that you take your time to create your background so that it looks beautiful in the end. Now we are done with our flor de maga from Puerto Rico. I hope that you had a lot of fun celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with me this couple of days. And I'll see you next week. Be sure to check out our Bitmoji Museum and our Bitmoji Classroom, as well as our Bitmoji Library, where you will find a lot of different books so that you can learn more about Hispanic Heritage Month. See you next time.